Welcome back to MANMA. Last time we had 3 nightmares. 1 was at the beginning, and 2 were about annoying bats, and blah blah blah. And now yes, Victor made yet another building for us. But to let you know, some of the rooms are WIP, which stands for Work in Progress. Any way you wanna see it. You want to just grin to it.
Oh, and look at this pool, it's awesome.
Now we made a little roller coaster room.
Now we made a too many chests room.
Now we made a living room.
And lastly, now we made a bathroom.
Now it is nighttime. Time for us to go to bed and sleep. I hope this building stays nice and all.
Yeah. It sure is a fine day, don't you think? Anyway, let's have some shower and help someone from being stuck.
Help me. I was about to go to bed too, but it seems that I am stuck in this table. Could you help me?
And James. And don't worry, we'll help you get out of this table and fix something.
Thanks. If I get stuck again, you know what else to do about it.
No problem. Anyway, we have invited over 5 new people to come in.
Sup, I'm John Marcus.
Name's Craig Jackson, bro.
I'm Claude.
It is I, Cam Scruggs.
And I am Danny Swift. Pleased to meet you.
Now let's take a trip to this Minecraft village from far away. Oh my gosh, look at this dude. He's looking like he was taking a nap.
What do you guys want from us? And if you ask, we only take a nap when it's nighttime.
Knock, knock.
Can we come in?
Yes, sure. Come in.
We only came here to see how the village is by politely entering its houses.
Ah, my house is looking so far so fine. Would you like to see my animals?
Okay.
Don't look at our wheats.
If you look at our wheats once more, we are going to have a problem. Understand?
Guys, behave. Sorry, Microsoft agents. They act madly like troll freaks when someone here looks at their weeks. I apologize.
Oh, that's it.
Oh my gosh, I am so sorry about what they did to you.
No, don't worry. It's fine.
Anyway, have a nice day.
See you when we want to see you again.
Shoot, his animals were insane as fuck. At least the villager himself is a nice guy after all. Anyway, let's head back to our new building.
Never come back to this house again, you wheat molester.
You guys are grounded. Come inside and find yourselves a corner right now.
Holy shit, you look injured. What happened?
Me and my Microsoft agents were going on a short trip to a little faraway Minecraft village. When we politely went to a villager's house, he asked us to go see his animals. His animals were two gray sheeps, and they go mad over someone looking at their wheats.
So, did they punch you with their own head?
Yes, they did. Now I heard that the villager was normally grounding them and normally sending them to their corner. Speaking of grounding, I don't mean it in a goyanomatic way.
So you say that this villager was a nice guy after all?
Yes, he is. Holy heck, it's raining. Anyway, time for us to sleep too.
time to end the video.